wasallam. Today we will start our final revision by solving the models of students book, page 116. Page 116. First question. Choose the correct answer. Negative 1 power 8 plus negative 1 power 9. As we have mentioned before, that 8 is even number. 8 is an even number, so it will cancel the negative. Cancels the negative. 9 is odd, so negative exists. So negative 1 equals 1. Positive times negative is negative. Negative 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the first answer of the first question. Now, the image of the point, negative 3 and 4, negative 3 and 4. By translation, x and y minus. As you know, this is the original point by adding to find the image. So negative 3, 4, and the translation is x, and y minus 4. So the image will be negative 1 plus nothing plus 0, because this is x only. So the x coordinate will be the same, negative 3, and 4, this is y, 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, so the image is negative 3 and 0, okay? Is the set of 0 and n. Is it belong, not belong, subset? As you know, 0 is belong to the natural number, so, and this is a set, so it will be a subset, okay? When tossing dice once, then the probability of getting a number on the upper face more than 6. In the dice, is there a number more than 6? No, there is no number more than 6, okay? So, so the probability wants to find the probability, so the probability is 0, okay? So this is subset, and this is 0. 5 minus 11 over 3. So first, this is absolute value. This is absolute value. So both the absolute value, 5 minus 11 is negative 6 over 3. So it will be equals to negative 3 divided 2 and negative 6 divided 3 is negative 2. So the absolute value of negative 2 is 2. And 2 belongs to z, okay? 2 is an integer, so 2 belongs to z, okay? So 2 belongs to z. So this is the first question of complete. Okay, number 2, fx equals f plus x equals 2, x belongs to z, and x equals. So this is an equation. So you have to solve the equation. X plus 6 equals 2. 6 goes to the other side with opposite sign. So x equals 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. And negative 4 belongs to z. Okay? Negative 4 belongs to z. So x equals negative 4. Okay? So this is the answer. Okay? Number 3, as the opposite figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Then the area of the triangle ABC. Where is the triangle ABC? This triangle is ABC. As you know, this is rectangle, so B is right. Okay? And also AD equals BC, so BC equals 4 centimeters. You have the height and the base. Now you can find the area of the triangle. ABC equals half times base times height equals half times 3 times 4 equals half times 3 times 4 equals half times 12, 6 centimeters. Okay, so this is very easy problem. Number 4, a box contains 5 white, 3 blue, 8 red. Red balls, all of them are symmetric. One ball is drawn from the box at random. Then the probability of the drawn ball is red. The probability of the drum ball is red. First, you have to find the total number of balls. 5 plus 3 plus 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 balls. Now we can find the probability of getting red. Equal the number of red balls. What is the number of red balls? Is 8. So 8 over 16 equals, by dividing by 8 if you want to simplify, divide 8. Divide 8. Okay. 8 divide 8 is 1. 16 divide 8 is 2. So the A, this is talking about the order of operations. The order of operation. 4 times 3 over 2 divide 3 over 2 minus 7 times 3. As we have mentioned before, if there is power 2, you have to finish power first. Okay, so 4 times 3 over 2 is 9, divide 3 over 2 is 9 also. Okay, minus 7 times 3. Let it now. 7 times 3 equals. Times and divide. Take the order, the same order from left to right. Take the same order from left to right. 4 times 9 is 36. Divide 9 minus 7 times 3. Divide minus times. You have to make divide first and then multiply and then minus is put as it is. So 36 divide 9 is 4 minus 7 times 3 is 21. 4 minus 21 is negative 70. Okay, quality. So let's write it here. B x minus 2 greater than or equals to 3 and x belongs to z. Okay, so find the solution set of the inequality. X minus 2 greater than or equals to 3. As we have done before, negative 2 to the other side with opposite sign. So if x greater than or equals 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. عرفت ليه احنا بنعمل كده؟ So x greater than or equals to 5. So and x belongs to z. Yes, 5 and what the numbers are greater than belongs to z. How to find, to write the solution set? Solution set equals x is greater than or equals to 5. What are the numbers that are greater than 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Okay, does 5 included? Yes, 5 is included because there is equal. So we have to write 5. So the solution a cuboid shaped box with a square base. This is very important to mention that the square base, its length is 10 and its height is 7. Calculate its lateral area. Calculate its lateral area. So the base of the cuboid, the base is squared, and this is very important. As you know, if we want to find the lateral and total area, we have to find length of the base, width of the base, height of the base, height in general. Okay, so length is 10, and the base is square, so length equals width, so it's 10 also. Okay, so this is 10 centimeters, and this is 10 centimeters, and the height is 7 centimeters. Now we can find the lateral area is required. Lateral, what is the lateral area rule? Lateral area equals perimeter times the height, perimeter of the base. So I have to find the perimeter of the base first, as we said before. So perimeter equals, we can use also the rule of perimeter of rectangle, no problem, times 2 equals 10 plus 10 times 2 equals 20 times 2 equals 40 centimeters. Okay, now there is no need to find the area because it's only required the lateral area only. Equals, perimeter is 40 times height height is 7. 40 times 7 equals 280 centimeter square. If you want to find the total area, so you have to find area of one face. Okay, equals length times width equals 10 times 10 equals 100 centimeters squared. Now you can find the total area, but it's not required, but I give it to remind you with the total area. Equals the lateral area plus 2 area equals, lateral area is 280 plus total area 2 times area of one face, 2 times 100 equals 280 plus 200 equals 480 centimeter square. Okay, hope you get it. Now the next problem, a circumference of a circle is 88 centimeters. Calculate its area. Circumference of a circle is 88. So the given is circumference, and we want to find the area. So I have to find the radius. I have to find the radius for B. The circumference equals 88 centimeters, and the area is required. So I have to find the radius first. Okay, does it give you the value of pi? No, it doesn't give you the value of pi. Okay, no problem. As we have mentioned before, that if the circumference is given, and I want to find the radius, so radius equals circumference over 2 pi. Okay, circumference is 88. Over means divide. 2 times pi is 22 over 7 or 3.147 equals 14 equals 14 centimeters. So now you have found the radius. Now you can find the area. Area equals pi r squared equals pi is 22 over 7 times r squared is 14 squared. 14 squared. Now equals 616 centimeters squared. Okay. So if the circumference is given and you want to find the area, first you have to find the radius, and the radius you can find it using the rule that radius equals circumference over 22 2 pi equals 88 divided 2 times 22 over 7 equals 14. Substitute in the area of the circle is the equation. Okay, so this question number 5. Question number 5a. 3x plus 9. 3x plus 9 equal 3, and x belongs to this. So this is an equation, and we want to solve it. Okay, so 9 is positive, to the other side is negative, so 3x equal 3 minus 9. Okay, so 3x equals a negative 6. Now dividing both sides by 3, so x equals negative 2. Okay, and the substitution set is x belongs to z. X belongs to z. Okay, and x here belongs to z or not? Belongs to z. Yes, it is. It belongs to z. So the solution set equals negative. I think represent it using what? We want you to represent it using what? Using circular sector by graph. طيب قبل ما الوقت يعدينا بس ان انا لازم اجيب السنترال انجل. طب اجيبها ازاي؟ اول حاجه الواشنج ماشين اهوت. واشنج ماشين اجيب الانجل بتاعها ازاي؟ 30% means 30 over 100 times what is the sum of measures of angle? 360 equal. This is the washing machine. Heater equals 15 over 100 times 360. Okay, oven equals 40 equals 40 over 100 times 360 equals, the last one is mixer, equals 15% over 100 times 360 equals. Now we will find the washing machine first. 30 over 100. لحظة واحدة يا شباب، ناخد بس الحدود، بس ناخد غياب الأول وبعدين نكمل قبل ما الصفحة تقفل علينا. تمام، نكمل عادي بقى. هنبدأ نجيب يا أولاد الواشنج ماشين، الانجل اوف واشنج ماشين. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 100. Okay. Now 15 over equals up 30% equals 54. Also 15 is 54 degrees. Okay. You can use it using calculator, no problem. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 3 144. Now degrees. Now, as we have mentioned before, you can use it. Now also use the compass. You have to draw first, to draw the radius. Okay. Also now we will draw the 108 degrees, 0, 10, 20, 30. So first I will take a pen or pencil. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 108. It will be this 105, 106, 7, 8, approximately. So this is the point of 100. Okay, now you can draw the radius of this angle. Okay. Okay, I will write like this, and then we can erase it later. Okay, 54. This is the protractor. Now you will draw 54, angle of measure 54. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. This is 54, approximately here. Okay, so now you can remove this and draw its radius. Okay, another oven is 144. Oven is 144. Starting from the new radius. Okay. Now you can count to 144. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 144, approximately here. Okay. So this is the next one. You can draw the radius again. Okay. Now we have finished. You can write the names. This is washing machine with degree as its angle is 108. This is heater with 54. This is oven with 144 degrees, and the last one is mixer. We have finished it. This is 54. Okay, so you have finished drawing this. Okay, you can just use eraser to erase this only. Yes, also this. Okay, so now, okay, this is 15 over 100 times 300